Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make these buns with oats. Yes, you heard me right. I use oats in this recipe to make it more healthier. So guys, let's get right into the video. And I have 2 cups of flour, then 1 cup of oats. I blended the oats with my blender. Then after that, I will follow it up with 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Then I will be adding some salt and nutmeg. Over here is a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Then I will also follow it up with half cup of sugar. If you're a sweet tooth, you can add more sugar, but this was so perfect on it. Then I will be adding about 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then I follow it up with the liquid. You can combine milk and water. You can use only milk. You can use only water. So I started off with half cup of warm milk. Remember that all the liquid must be warm because of the yeast so that it will activate. I mixed it and I added half cup of water. This is my first time of trying this recipe. It just occurred to me this morning when I'm about to make breakfast. I wanted to make buns and I was like, let me add oats in it to see how it will come out. So that's why I'm measuring the water little by little. Then I added another half cup of water. So total of 1.5 cups of liquid was used in this recipe. Then I mixed it thoroughly just like so to combine everything together. Please guys, if you try this video and you enjoy it and your family loves it, leave your comments below. I so much appreciate it, okay? It will make me to be trying out new recipes because soon I'll be trying out puff puff recipe with oats. And I think I already know how to get that. So if you want to see that, please give this video a massive thumbs up, share the video. Then after mixing it, I will use nylon or foil and cover it and allow it to sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. I will also be placing a towel on top of it so that the yeast will activate very well. I've already started heating the oil at the back of this. So once the oil is hot, we can start frying the buns. It looks like Ghana buff roots, just that I added oats in this to make it more healthy. You can even substitute cinnamon to nutmeg. If you don't like nutmeg or if you don't have it, you can use cinnamon. Then I started molding it inside my frying pan just like so. I'm molding it as if I'm molding fufu. You can mold it any size of your choice, big, small, medium size. Then I'm frying on a low heat till it turns golden brown, just like so. Then I will fry the last batch, and after that, this is the end result. It looks exactly like this, like Ghana buff roots, just that this one I added oats to make it more yummier and healthier. Will you be trying this out? Please let me know in the comment section if you have tried this out. Please thumb up and subscribe. Bye.